Good afternoon. My name is Ronald Salamanca. Why, what would have happened if I could I could not to study physical education and sports pedagogical university? What is with the major? I would not have the money for pay semester and have to work and study at the same time. What did you regret about? My regret no study the most like in life. What did you do instead? Unfortunately, I could not present the exam, but I proved the interview and the score was very high. How did you react at the moment? I was too sad for this situation. How this story finish? I could not study the career I liked. When did I happen? I happened in the year 2000 when I finished school. What did you feel disappointed with? I was disappointed for I not reached the end of being a teacher. How did you feel about that situation and how old did you react? I have felt very sad and cry for several days. If I have thought I would have reached my goal, I would. Who were you with? I had friends had accompanied my process throughout the admission process. How did an anecdote experience impact yourself? Have a frustration for several years. What did you regret about? I do not regret about it because I am currently studying logistics administration at the University Manuela Beltrán. Goodbye.